Hello, everyone. I'm Tehmina Kaoosji. I'm an independent broadcast journalist, and today I'll be reading you a book called What Do You Want to Be? It's written and illustrated by Feryn Juliesta. Let's get started, shall we? What Do You Want to Be? Written and illustrated by Feryn Juliesta. I have a twin sister. Her name is Pam. Pam and I are very similar. We look just almost the same. Only that I'm a boy and my hair is a lot shorter than Pam's. We both love warm milk, we love raisin cookies, and we love stories before bed. But most of all, we love stargazing. They are everywhere, bright and twinkling. Too bad they are so far away. Too bad we can't fly up and touch them. Or we can, so Dad says. We can grow bigger and become an astronaut. Pam once suggested they probably look like sprinkles on a donut. We simply can't wait to grow up and be an astronaut. Today, Pam and I turn 8. We can't be more excited to grow up and for the birthday party. Everybody loves the party, and so do we. There's chocolate cake with lots of colorful candies, colorful balloons and friends, and more people. Pam is trying to hit the piñata with a club and get more candies for everyone, while I'm sitting in a circle with Dave and Lily, listening to Lily talk about her dreams to be president. What about you, Sam? What do you want to be when you grow up? Lily turns and asks me. Astronaut, I shriek. Pam and I want to be an astronaut. Your sister too? Dave asked me, looking surprised. Yes, we love to watch the stars every night. We promise to see it together up close someday. She can't be an astronaut, Dave says. Now it's my turn to be surprised. Why can't she? I ask as I try not to frown. She's a girl, Dave answers casually. I can't help but slightly frown. What's wrong with a girl being an astronaut? I ask. They just can't. Dave responds firmly. Why can't they? Lily asks before I could speak. She looks puzzled. Dave goes silent for a second before saying, Girls can't be an astronaut. He glances at Lily, then adds, or president. Both Lily and I frown deeply. Lily looks annoyed. What can they be then? I ask. Dave goes silent for another second, then quickly says, Cook. They can be a cook. Lily still looks irritated, but she seems to be thinking hard now. Well, Pam and I love food. I guess we can consider being a cook too. I say calmly. You want to cook? But you're a boy. Dave looks utterly shocked. I sigh. Now, what's wrong with a boy being a cook? It's for girls, he says forcefully. Lily is quick to answer. But your daddy is a cook, and his roast chicken is the best in town. I add quickly. Dave goes silent again, longer this time. Then he says in defeat, Well, boys can be a cook then. And I can be a president, Lily says positively. And I can be an astronaut. I can be whatever I want. Pam suddenly joins with more candy and other people to join our little circle. Lily looks content and cheery. So does Dave, as he grabs more candies to munch. I can't help but grab a few too and nod. Everyone can be anything they want to be. Thanks for joining me as we read through this wonderful little book. Now remember, reading is important because it opens up our minds to not just possibilities and dreams, but the chance to be everything you want to be. Just like Pam, who wants to be an astronaut, and Lily, who wants to be president, you too can be everything you want to be. Stay curious and keep reading.